Okay, guys. So the last thing we learned about was chapter 2, lesson 3. What are some life cycles of animals? You have two vocabularies. You're learning about this term, the direct development and metamorphosis. So you know, guys, that all animals go through a life cycle. So what do we mean by a life cycle?
As the stages
Yes,
living thing goes through.
that's right. The stages an organism goes through. That's right. Yes, through its life. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So it starts with a fertilized egg, and then this egg joins a sperm cell, which both of them are the male, and the sperm cell is the male six cell, and the egg is the female six cell. So they need also both male and female six cells to make an offspring, just like plants. Remember last year when we learned that pollen joins an egg in the plants in order to make a seed? Do you guys
Well,
remember that?
yes.
Yes.
Yes, that's right. Okay, guys, give me a minute. Just give me a minute, okay? Okay, guys, I'm back. Can you guys hear me well?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so all organisms need male and female. Most of the organisms need male and female six cells in order to grow, just like plants. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have a new word to learn about, but this one is for your own knowledge. Marsupials. Marsupials. Do you know what word? What is this word? What does this word mean?
No.
I don't know. No.
Those are the mammals that do not develop fully inside their mother's
No.
body. They have to
Miss, we need this in the
pouch.
quiz.
No, the marsupials is for reading only, for your own knowledge.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. So, like kangaroos, for example, they do not grow, you know, fully in their mother's wombs, and then they have to move into
They are blind
pouch.
when they like come.
Yes.
Are birds also a marsupial? Hello?
Okay, guys, I'm back. I think I have a problem with my mic. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
I can hear you very well.
Okay, guys, again, marsupials are the animals that have their babies inside the pouch, like kangaroos, for example. Okay, let me zoom into this
Okay.
picture so you can see it well. Okay, guys, so in here, this is how a kangaroo looks like once it's born or it comes out from his mother's womb, okay? And then it moves into the pouch. Do you know, guys, what a pouch is?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it's
Yes, we know.
the bucket shaped thing that the animal moves into, okay?
And
Inside.
her stomach.
Yes, we know.
Yes. Okay, and then it starts to get or feed on his mother's milk until it grows in size. Let me just move the picture for you guys. Can you see it in here inside her pouch? Can you see this one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, in here, guys, he's feeding from his mother's milk. Even if, when he gets out from the pouch, he still feeds on her milk. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes, we can see.
Yes. So those animals that grow inside the pouch that cannot grow fully out inside their mothers are called marsupials. Okay.
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 So marsupials, guys, is just a word for you to know, but it will not be included in the quiz. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, but you know these different information coming right now. It's with us in the quiz.
Miss,
Yes, yes, Muhammad.
you can change the sheet and make the marsupial word, the vocab. Say it's not coming in the quiz.
I just wrote up there. It's for reading only. Can't you see it?
Oh yes, here.
Now
Okay.
you can see it for reading only. Can you see
Yes, yes.
this part only? Marsupials. Okay.
So marsupials are not coming in the quiz
Yes, this definition. Yes, it's not coming in the quiz.
for now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, guys, do you know that kangaroos develop inside their mothers for 33 days only? And then the
Wow.
mother
Oh,
gives birth. Yes, and then the mother gives birth, okay, to this tiny kangaroo, as you can see. And then in about 3 minutes, this baby moves into the pouch, which is the pocket structure in here. And it drinks from his mother's milk, and inside this pouch, it will grow. I'm sorry, it will continue growing. Okay.
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. Another animal that uses a pouch for making babies is the seahorse. Okay, but it's not a marsupial. It's not one of the marsupials because marsupials are mammals. As you can see, marsupials are mammals that do not develop, mammals only. Okay, so a seahorse is not a marsupial. Okay,
Okay.
but it's another example of animals that grow inside a pouch. And in the seahorse case, it's the male that carries the baby. Okay, yes, Rukmini, you raised your hand.
Um, actually, the male actually, gives birth to the babies.
Exactly, yes. It carries the babies inside of it. So the female in this
Weird.
picture on the right, the female gives the male the eggs inside of his body, and then he fertilizes the egg until they grow up and they come out like this, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're most welcome, Habibti. So the female seahorse deposits or places the eggs inside the male, okay? And then the eggs are fertilized, and after several weeks, a young seahorse come out from this pouch, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let me show it to you in here.
Miss,
Yes.
yesterday you told me to spread the words.
Yes.
I message everyone private and message also in groups.
Yes. Yes. I saw all the photos you sent me. Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
I
Anyway,
did more, but I forgot to send.
this video is recorded. Yeah, it will be uploaded. Okay. So even if your
Okay.
friends missed it, they will see it on YouTube.
Okay.
Can you see how it pops out from the pouch?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. In here, you can see the female seahorse. She's placing the eggs inside the male, okay? And after several weeks, it comes out. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you guys see all the young ones coming out from his pouch?
Yes,
Yes.
we can.
Yes. Let's move to the study sheet. Okay, other organisms like birds, for example, they come out from the eggs. They hatch from the eggs, okay? But they cannot survive by their own. They need to be fed by their mothers, okay?
Okay.
Yes, and also kept warm. They are born blind, Aslan. Can you see it in the picture? Let me zoom into the picture in here. Can you guys see? Can you see these young ones?
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Yes. So they are born blind and they need to be fed by their mothers, as we said, okay? Others organisms that hatch from shelled eggs. Shelled eggs means an egg with a hard shell. Okay, because some eggs are without any shells. They are with
Yes.
soft ones.
Miss, like a normal egg.
Yes, like the normal egg, yes.
That's shell.
So in here, can you see the birds?
Yes, we can.
Yes, how they keep their mouths open to get the food. In here we have some reptiles. They also hatch from shelled eggs, like snakes, like turtles, like crocodiles. Can you see? This is a small crocodile inside his egg. Can you see that?
Yes, we
This
can.
this time, Miss,
Yes.
this tiny crocodile becomes in years become a huge
A huge one. Yes,
Yes.
that's right. Yes, that's right. So you can see here, we're talking about the shelled eggs. We have other types of eggs like the fish egg. It's not with a hard shell. Can you guys see?
Yes, we can.
It's so
Yes.
soft. In here,
It's like slime.
yes, this is how the larva, which are the
Ah,
organism that comes out from the egg. This is how it looks like, and then of course it develops into a fish. Okay.
okay. Okay.
Okay, guys. So the birds, they lay shelled eggs, as you guys learned. These young birds hatch, but they still need to be fed by their mothers. Okay.
Miss, I want to say a fact.
Okay, just give me a minute here, me. Okay.
Okay.
Reptiles like turtles and crocodiles also share the same thing. They lay eggs. Okay. But when reptiles hatch, they are ready to survive on their own, so they do not need their mothers to feed them. You know, all the sea turtles, they hatch and then they go directly into the sea. The sea
Yes.
turtles, yes. So they can
Yes, we do.
survive now by
I
their
know.
own, not like the birds.
Miss, the turtle lays eggs in a safe, cozy place, like under the sand, and then she go to the sea. After days
Exactly,
and
yes.
days and days,
Yeah,
she
like
come back.
sparkle.
She saw the turtle hatch. The turtles come back to the sea, which is with its mother.
Yes. Okay, other example like amphibians and fish, they lay their eggs in the water, so it does not have a hard shell, as you guys can see. Let me zoom into this picture for
Okay.
you. Can you see this picture in here?
Yes, we
Yes.
can.
Yes. Can you see how it looks soft? It's not covered with a shell. And this is how a
Yes, we
larva
can.
looks like once it comes out from the shell, okay?
Miss,
Okay.
it looks like a bubble.
Yeah. Well, the fish hatch and they look just like their parents. So we know it's a fish from the larva shape. And they are also ready to survive on their own. Okay?
Okay.
They don't need their mothers to feed them anymore. Not like the birds. Okay.
They eat
Okay.
from anywhere. They have the whole ocean to themselves.
Yes. Okay, amphibians go also through changes. Can you see the life cycle of a frog? It starts with
Yeah.
an egg and then it turns into tadpole and then it becomes an adult frog. Can you see this?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So how is a bird's life cycle similar to a reptile's life cycle? How do you think they are both similar?
Both lay eggs.
Both lay eggs, yes. That's right.
Uh,
They are different in well, the baby birds need to be taken care of, right? They need
yes.
Yes.
to wait
But the
for a few.
reptile, it has its
Exactly, but
own.
reptiles survive on their own. But the baby
Yes.
birds, like in here, they need to again be cared of by their mothers. But
Okay.
Yes.
reptiles can survive on their own. Okay, which
Okay.
animals develop in pouches?
Kangaroos,
Kangaroos and
seahorses.
Yes. Which animals hatch from eggs? This is easy. Birds, reptiles,
birds,
amphibians.
reptiles, fish, and
Yes, and
amphibians.
Fish,
amphibians. Okay, Rubin, you
amphibians.
can say the facts you wanted to say in the beginning of the session.
I just want to say one fact about the birds. When
Yeah.
they are born, they have no feathers or skin. They just born. They
Well,
have
they
skin,
must have
but
skin,
they
yes,
don't
but they
have
don't have feathers
yeah,
yet.
but they
Not
don't
not
have
enough
feathers.
feathers. Yes, that's why they need to be wormed by their mothers. Yes. Thank you so much, Rugmini. Thank you
Yes,
so much.
when a bird get born, it has like one or five feathers, like a small amount. But one day after they start to grow on their wings, and another day after they started to grow on his small stomach, and
Yes.
now it has
And they
all
need
of
to
the
be, yes, they need to be taught how to fly and stuff like that. So just like humans, sometimes we don't
yes.
like, we
Why
are not
does
born
their
to
mother
survive on
sit?
our own.
Why does their mother sit on them?
So she can keep them warm
Okay.
by her body temperature. She keeps them warm by her body temperature.
That's why birds are warm-blooded animals.
Warm blooded, yes, that's why.
Wow.
That's why they
Okay.
need to be protected from the coldness.
Okay.
Okay, let me move back. So we have another type of growing, which we call direct development. Direct development. This type of growth gets larger and larger, but still looks the same when they are in the young form. Like cats and dogs, we know they are cats and dogs, right? Since they are born.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
because they look exactly the same as they are in adults, but just
They
they get
have
a little
fur.
bit
They have
bigger.
tail.
Yes, they get a
Yes.
little bit bigger, taller, they maybe have more hair, right? But they still look the same. Okay? Okay, guys? Spiders are the same thing. Like when they hatch from the egg, they still look like spiders, but they just get bigger with time. But we know there are spiders once they hatch from their eggs, right? Guys, are you with me?